Hey everyone, Apple just dropped their Q1 2026 10Q, and I came here to find out how things unfold. They have done well again. Let's go straight to the point and check this out. Revenue hit an all-time record of $143.8 billion, up 16%. EPS came in at $2.84, smashing expectations. What drove this explosion? First, unprecedented iPhone demand brought in over $85 billion. Second, their services segment, which includes the App Store, iCloud, and Apple Music, reached an all-time high of exactly $30.01 billion. Services have massive profit margins, and with over 2.5 billion active devices globally, this recurring revenue is the real engine of Apple's future. And before we value the company, let's do our business health check. Debt and balance sheet, green light. Apple's balance sheet is an absolute fortress. They returned nearly $32 billion to shareholders in just 3 months. Profitability and margins, they expanded their gross margin to an incredible 48.1%. That is ultimate pricing power. Cash flow, green light. They generated an eye-watering $54 billion in operating cash flow in 1 quarter. Now for the most important part, my fair value or intrinsic value. The current price is $280.25. Trailing EPS over the last 4 quarters is $8.27. That puts Apple at a PE of about 33.9x. In other words, the market is currently valuing Apple at nearly 34 times earnings. For intrinsic value, I'm moving from accounting earnings to free cash flow, the actual cash the business generates after all reinvestments. Assuming 12% growth and an 8.5% WACC, fair value comes out at around $293. With the stock trading near $280 as of early May 2026, Apple looks fairly valued. $11 gap isn't meaningful. There's no real margin of safety here, at least for me. If you want to own a great business at a fair price, this could make sense even now if you think long-term.
Personally, I'm staying on the sidelines for now and don't have Apple. I'd rather wait for a better entry with a clearer margin of safety.
I would buy here in this fair value gap at $225.95 and this swing low at $169.21. We need undervaluation to unlock real upside in our investments, and only then we can call them remarkable. Write your thoughts in the comment section and hit the subscribe button if it's useful for you and your portfolio. Because what we do here is analysis that helps your money work for you efficiently and effectively. And that's what remarkable investments is all about. See you soon.